Едем на вылазку.
Прямую трансляцию делать внизу.
И найти цены.
I said if we never get a chance to be together, go with ya, Tanya, I love ya. I said it's a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I say it is a pity. You already have your wife, and me have a one man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I woulda liked one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a pillow lying right next to mine. I woulda cut out the party and the smoking and the rum and bust a extra wine and make we seat up a sun. Well, every time I fantasize, me see your lips, me see your eyes, your trigger finger do something. I left the rude girl hypnotized. For you it's just a thing, just another little fling. But for me this is heaven and the angel them a sing. It's a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. I say it is such a pity. You already have a wife, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. For buck you up in a public and can't even touch it. Really fuck me up because my check for you so much. The respect you me have for your woman, for your kids. Believe me, rude boy, my Chris. I know me it is. Who knows? Maybe one day the world will be evolved enough. We'll share you in a civilized manner between the two of us. But until then, I woulda love see you again. Me know we have to play it by the stupid rules of men. Said if we never get a chance to get together, go with ya, Tanya, I love ya. I'ma say, so meet me round the corner, avoid Mitzi and Lana. You know them, I do what they biggest informer. I'm not stopping for sex, no, not ball out next, no. But the way how you flex really pique my interest, yo. The you are people see, I know the you are me loving, and the you are there with me go much deeper than skin. I don't know exactly what it is you're feeling, but I wish this was a permanent thing, yo. It's such a pity you already have your wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. It's such a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. Me know say you belong to she, you know say me belong to him. I wouldn't want you this your queen, you woulda never this my king. But when you play for my rhythm, and when I feel your bass a swing, you left me in a turmoil, you have me in a spin. It really makes me sad for you for waste so much water. I think the two of we can make a beautiful daughter, but it would be selfish to one innocent little youth for bring her home and cannot tell her the truth. Tell her the truth. I say, go with ya, I will always love ya. Said if we never get a chance to be together, go with ya, remember, Tanya, love ya.
Пару слов для тех, кого нет с нами здесь. Вот пару слов. Вот прям два слова, два-три слова.
Зря, что вы не здесь.
Да, тут мяч. Тут мяч, давай 5.
Тут вам не там.
Да, тут вам не там. Красавчик.
And me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I say it is a pity.